my name is AmandaMSantiagoBlanco, and today I will be presenting the project proposal titled Optimization of PQA Task Training Guide for Better Onboarding Process in the Department of QE at Space Company C. The topics that will encompass this proposal include a bit of background, the main objective, and methodology that will be used to accomplish it. Also, the schedule that will be followed for the next few months until completion of the project, the expected cost, and finally, an overall expectation of the project. For a little bit of background, one of the issues companies are facing in current times is how quickly employees are changing positions, whether it's internally or externally. And with that, if proper documentation is not established, knowledge transfer becomes affected negatively. Also, due to recent events, remote work has become more popular, which imposes a challenge when onboarding new hires at a distance. This is what the new hires, procurement quality assurance engineers, or PQAE for short, are facing at the Space Company C when they try to perform their work and tasks with poor guidance. Since these tasks are very job specific, even if you have a good background or knowledge in quality engineering, it can become a hassle adapting to this position. Current onboarding process and training guide for this team in Space Company C and the Department of QE is lacking organization and relevance in documentation, which makes it harder for new employees to perform efficiently and adapt to their new role in a timely manner. Therefore, the main objective of this project is to reduce the PQAE task performance lead time. This will be accomplished by following the MIAC methodology, which includes the definition of the project and what will it be focusing on. What will be measured, which is in this case, is the lead time it takes for the new hires to perform their tasks. Then they analyze the data collected and focus on the tasks that require optimization. For the improvement stage, the 5S methodology will be used, which includes the sort and set in order of the documentations in this case, the shine, which is represented by the implementation of a friendly training guide for the onboarding process. Then the standardization of the process and sustaining them. This project will be divided in 4 stages. Stage 1 is the start point. Data will be collected here and evaluated by obtaining the labor and training charges of the new hires A, B, and C. Stage 2 will encompass the reorganization of the documentation, which are currently stored at the PQAE team SharePoint, and a selected PQAE tasks will be updated as necessary. Stage 3 will give a space for final adjustments and for the new features for the training guide and reevaluation of the lead time using the improved interface. And stage 4 marks the end of the projects where the results will be presented. The life of this project is expected to take around 2 months to accomplish and will follow this schedule. The first stage of the process is expected to take around a week for the data gathering and the lead time for the daily PQA task. The second stage, which is the more extensive, has a deadline of April 21st, which gives around a month for the reorganization and upgrade of the documentation. And stage 3 is expected to take around the same time as stage 1 for the test and reevaluation of the lead time with the new guide. And the fourth stage and final stage will be marked by the presentation and results of the project. The project cost will be focused on the labor and training time charged by the employees, using an average salary of around $45 an hour. For the duration of the project, it's expected that this will reach around $40,000. But not implementing this project will continue to cost more for the company. Taking into consideration the duration of this project, this will translate to $200,000. Therefore, the overall expectations of this project is to reduce lead time on non-critical actions, such as navigating the different programs to obtain the necessary data, rather than actually performing the tasks, which is the critical action. Also, to provide consistent task documentation and maintenance of the information for relevance. Finally, and also very important, is the ease of onboarding process for quicker adaptation of new hire, so they can settle in and not feel overwhelmed when performing their task and higher workloads. Thank you.